Welcome, Marine in 15, lunch on the run. Why go to all those expensive fast food restaurants when food is so simple? So I'm going to do a very quick lunch dish, lunch on the run, with our tuna, broccoli, our tomatoes and our rice. Okay guys, bag of rice already pre-cooked, straight from the microwave into your container. Give it a little shake. The rice is our complex carbohydrate, our energy. Then from there we get our tin of tuna. Very simple. In goes the tuna, our high protein content there, growth and repair of the body. And it goes like so. Okay, job done. Let's move it along. Get our broccoli, some nice cherry tomatoes. Then from there, a little bit of peri-peri salt over the top. This lunch all in for about £2. Lid on the top of your container. Give it a shake. Guys and girls, that is lunch on the run. Boom!